Good evening, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to replace your headset, the airbag. So I got this sound card Q30 that had broken on the airbag. See, like this. So it's very easy way. Then I'm gonna teach you how to replace it very quick way. All right, let's do it. Like this. Broken off. So what you need, I got like this is from Amazon Japan. So from what I see actually in the YouTube, I see people love using the kitchen knife. So you need like this part inside, this right, this left, and you need just like this. So you do need knife for the kitchen, right? So you see like this, you cut inside, so there is separate place. This is the right side. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plates, right? Just like this. So this is little thing here, little snap. So like this. So you would do, you just see inside here, right? Inside here, just snap on this thing in like this, and yes, like this. Snap, 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 snap. Okay, one up. Then we continue. Yes, right. Okay. This off like this. See? Right, keep like this. You can clean a little bit inside. So if you want hole here, keep it this hole like this. Like this, the right side, put it on the right. So let's do on the left side. See one inside first. Okay, put it in. Okay, one snap. And continue. Snap. Okay, continue. Okay, continue. That's it. See, left, right. Okay, now you can clean this a little bit. Easy, doesn't take a couple minutes. So this is the right side, this is the left side, remember? So it meant I put the right, put the left, so like this. So this is the right here. That's it. You can clean with the brush like this. So you can do really snap here, snap like this. So this part here, this is the right R here. This is the part. This is the part. This. Okay, remember like this, and take the new one. Like this, and you have to keep with the hole first. Okay, keep the snap in. I got one in already. See, that's it. Already in. Now the left side. It doesn't take a minute. You see hole here. Keep the hole like this. Keep the hole. Now take the left one. See, we got one hole on the top. Left, and mix the hole on the direction. Keep one hole in first here. Keep one hole in. Okay, this pin ready, and snap. That's it. It's done. See, all good, done. So it doesn't take 5 minutes. Very easy, right? So only this tool, it's done. Already been clean. Easy, right? That's it. Okay, just stop video. Now it's clean, very clean. I didn't cut anything on my video, no cut. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.